Disclaimer lang po. The information provided in this presentation does not constitute advices, investment, financial, trading, etc. And any of its content should be treated as much. Moreover, nothing in this presentation should be taken as an offer to buy, sell, or hold a cryptocurrency. But we use cryptocurrency po for our mode of payment, no? Ginagamit natin ang cryptocurrency sa ating pagbabayad ng subscription. Okay? Again, LiveGood is not an investment company na naglalagay ka ng pera, kikita ka. Wala pong ganun. Kaya it is illegal for a promoter or a participant in the program to persuade anyone to make payment promising benefits from getting others to join. Do not be misled by any claims that high earnings are easy to be achieved. We strongly suggest to have your own independent research prior to engaging in any kind of business, including any other activities, when you have expectation of specific high result or any financial returns or gains. Sa gabing ito, make sure that you're going to have 3 P's before you join this kind of industry. Kailangan i-double check niyo po yung 3 P's. Ano po yung tatlong 3 P's? Number 1, the profile of the company. Make sure that they are incredible to this kind of business. Number 2, dapat ang product very effective. Make it sure affordable yung product. Maraming product sa market, but you can choose na effective and affordable. And last, check nyo po yung complan kung win-win, ano? Ibig sabihin, not in favor of the company, not in favor of the distributor, but it's equally, no? Kasi, hindi masyadong disrespect, okay?